This isn't your average blogger-style rope light. This is the Endura 150 feet blue bundle. It's contractor-grade, built with better diodes and resistors for a high-output, beautiful blue glow. It's so heavy-duty, it comes with a 5-year warranty because it's engineered to outlast the competition. Most rope lights sag or swivel, but Endura stays firm. The bundle includes 150 feet of mounting channel to ensure perfectly straight lines on windows or roof lines. Just mount the channel to any surface with screws or Velcro, and the light pops right in for a laser-straight, professional finish. This is a complete out-of-the-box installation. You get the 150-foot reel, the matching channel, and the unboxed inline dimmer with remote control. It's a total plug-and-play system. Connect the rope light to the dimmer, plug it into the wall, and you're in control. The remote gives you full flexibility. Switch instantly between 100%, 50%, or 25% brightness, or manually dim it to your exact preference. You can even set a timer for 1, 2, or 4 hours, ideal for commercial spaces or holiday displays. Best of all, it has built-in memory. Set it to 25% brightness, turn it off, and it returns to that exact level when you turn it back on. Set your timer, walk away, and let the Endura do the work.